Good morning, class. Standard 8 Physical Educations. Welcome back to 8th Standard. This academic year 2021. So, first of all, physical educations. What do you mean physical educations? Physical education means you should be mentally, physically, and socially fit. That is called physical educations. You have to learn about your body as well as cleanness of your body, fitness. How are you going to fit yourself? Like via eating habits, exercises, recreations, via sleeping, via uh, playing game, entertainment. So these all is a physical education part. You have to learn day-to-day life what you are doing. Taking bath, washing your teeth, brushing your teeth, washing your face, hand and leg, body, taking bath, combing your hair, neatly uniform you wearing. These all the day-to-day life, the physical education training will be there. If you mentally fit, you will be physically fit. If physically unfit, mentally unfit. That is normally English will say the healthy body in healthy mind. The healthy means you will get good mindset. So willpower, body condition should be. You have to gradually increase the school students. You have to make, because this is the new subject for you. You are come from 7th standard to 8th standard. Now you are in high school now. First of all, strictly I am telling you, whenever work is given to you, you have to day-to-day basis you have to work on. Any videos, online classes, or any worksheets are given to you, you have to complete on that same day, and same day you have to send it to me. So I will monitor each and everyone names day-to-day basis. Who is responding, who is not sending the lessons, who is not sending the worksheet answers. Whichever the lesson I am teaching you in online, you have to keep in the record. If this records continue for another 3 years, 8th, 9th, 10th, till you complete your board exams. So physical educations and games, because we have very limited playground in our school. So I am teaching only volleyball and basketball. So there is not sufficient place to require to teach. When school resume after the pandemic, everything is complete, then I will teach you in the school itself. There is volleyball and basketball. Section B, that is each 25 marks, basketball 25 marks and volleyball 25 marks. If we come to the section A, normally in the biology books there is a topic, the human anatomy and physiologies. You have your subject in basic biology book, textbook. Second chapter is muscular system. Third chapter respiratory system. Fourth chapter is circulatory system. And fifth chapter is games and sports. What is the benefit of the games and sports? Game is different, sports is different. Game is the teamwork. 3 or 4 players together and play, that is a game. Sportsmen individualities like athletes, athletics, boxing, karate. These all sports, independent like swimming, archery, shootings. These all sports. So for your exams, there will be a 200 marks total. Theory 100 marks, that is written test, and PT practical is 100 marks. 100 marks, practical marks divided into two parts. The one part is 15 marks, 50 marks will be conducted by internal examiner, that is me, and 50 marks external examiner who will come from outside school to examine your physical performance test, that is a PPT, physical performance test. In that, sit-ups, push-ups, shuttle run, 1000 meters run, standing long jump, 50 meters run, 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters, 600 meters, 1000 meters, 800 meters. These are specialized tests will be conducted by the external examiner. Whereas internal examiner conduct 50 marks on your attendance, discipline behavior, any inter-school participations, state level, national level, and what are the games as teaching going to teach. Volleyball, basketball, how to hold the ball, how to play, how to move. The basic skills will be taught when school reopens. This 50 marks will be divided. That is, internal examiner will give the marks. That is, your own PT master will be given. So whereas written test, section A, health and hygiene. This is what are the chapter I told you. The human anatomy and physiology first chapters. Second chapter is muscular system. Third chapter respiratory system. Fourth chapter circulatory system. Fifth chapter is games and sports. This is section A, 50 marks. Compulsory you have to attend this questions. What are the questions coming? 50 marks, as well as section B, the games. That is 2 games, volleyball and basketball. Each question consists of 25 marks, 25 marks. Total 50 plus 50 section A, 100 marks. This is written test. PT practical 100 marks. When you are coming to the 10th standard, on 9th standard, then 10th standard, this mark will be going to council on your record. So for your PT exam is next year is the board exam for you. So you have to write the board exam as well as even 10th standard, you have to complete your board exams. So first I am going to give instructions. Do not share anything to other people, like anything, what are the notes I am giving. You try yourself and prepare answer till you get a textbook. You will get notes from me. Day to day, you complete that notes worksheet, what are the works I am giving to you every week. So keep it on record and write in proper notebook. In that, there will be a first terminal exam going to be comes, even in between monthly test, unit test also will comes. Whenever is the requirement, you will time to time you will announce. So you have to be careful. Attendance is most important. You have to respond my video as well as worksheet. Day to day basis you have to do. I will maintain record here who is sending, which date is not sending the notes. Then it will be finally goes to the school and they'll call you for exam right in the school itself. So better be careful. Now you are in high school. Last year also pandemic, you are at home. And this year also is online classes till pandemic is completed. So be careful. You have to be more alert. Now you are in high school. You are not in a junior school. Now 8th standard is high school. So respond as a high school student. Now you are having more responsibilities. When it comes to 8th standard, 8th, 9th, 10th, this high school, you have to be most dedicated and responsibility You have to work with the responsibilities. Don't go out and play full mode. I am going here, I am not responding. No, it will affect your studies. Concentrate your studies. Whatever the notes I am giving or lecture video I am sending you, you have any doubt, please you call me. I will give the correct answer. How to write the answer. In the coming days, I will tell you. The next year week, we are going to write chapter wise. I am giving a video as well as worksheet. This is the introduction I am giving you. PT is not easy. We have to be, if you learn the same book, you will learn for 3 years. But when you comes to 9th standard, the section A chapter will be changed. The rest of section B, volleyball and basketball, remain the same. Won't be any changes. Only section A chapter will change. So in that, you have this chapters: respiratory system, circulatory system, muscular system, skeleton system. It is with you in your textbook, biology book. You can see that starting from that only the books are there. If you have any clarity, you want any classifications, you want any specific doubt, you can see in that book. 8th standard biology book is, everything is there. You can learn from there until you get PT textbook. I think you will get book list from the school. We can order online also. I don't know what school says. Find out from the office. Whichever the possible, you'll do it. So I'm going to send you the photograph of volleyball court. I'm giving next week based on volleyball. I'm sending you the photocopy of volleyball court and chapter. Which chapter is going to study for this year? You can clearly note down and give the answers. Right? Let us stay safe, stay home, take care. Good morning, class standard 8 PT.